My name is Jeffrey Diamond. I'm the president and owner of Goodman Decorating Company, and I'm also president of the Construction Education Foundation of Georgia. This expo so far this morning has been the most well attended that we've ever had. The infrastructure that all the contractors, over 150 contractors out here, have installed is amazing. It's you have to be here to see it to understand it. It's a real credit to the industry and a credit to the construction teachers and high schools that have attended.
It's a huge success this year. There's a lot of students here, twice what we had last year. The kids are excited about the worlds that we have out here. A lot of hands-on demos, some contests, some pours from different various concrete companies, that sort of thing. We've got skills competition coming up tomorrow, another huge event.
It's actually very overwhelming. We knew there was going to be at least 5,000 people over 2 days. The incredible amount of questions that the youth are asking about the world of energy has been just overwhelming.
This is an incredible opportunity for high school students to be exposed to our industry. The Georgia DOT and contractors like C.W. Matthews and other Georgia highway contractors, we have so many opportunities in the future for young high school students to go to work in our industry and have careers. There are so few businesses now where a young person, without necessarily the benefit of a college education or even a 2-year technical education, can start to work and see a career path going forward.
Construction is a very viable occupation for children to come into and kids to think about as they're growing up, because it provides them an opportunity to get involved with not just only building something, but also be involved with a tremendous amount of learned people with a lot of skills, and also get involved with some of the technical aspects of the world of today. And the Construction Education Foundation Day is trying to make kids aware that construction is a viable occupation for them and for their futures.
Making them aware that there is job opportunity here in the construction industry in all levels. It's everything. It's from digging the ditch, construction, the site work, ground up, and it's just awareness. Really it makes them aware for these kids through the technical programs that may not be college bound, that there are job opportunities here.
So this gives them a chance to actually touch and feel what's out there and maybe perk their interest to get started and get involved with it.
Well, the kids really don't have a good idea of what the department is all about, what we do. So we're trying to teach them a little bit about a simple span bridge. We show them what the substructure and the superstructure is, and give them an idea a little bit about what it is that is involved in putting that structure together.
My name is Jody Brookshire. I'm with Applied Software, and you're in the world of architecture and engineering. We actually work with all the schools and universities here in the state of Georgia on their engineering and architectural needs, as well as visualization and animation. And this gives the students a great opportunity to kind of just see how the industries work, all kind of interrelated. It all starts here. It goes into the other areas, starting in construction, into electrical, into contracting, and into plumbing and carpentry. The students get to see everything in real practice. They get to play with the toys. They get to work on the equipment. They get to see the designs in real form. The students are real excited about the gaming, of course. They'd like to see this animation. And they're also wondering, what software is being used. They want to know what kind of jobs are available for them. And I love this expo. I think it's a great opportunity to kind of be with the students, see their excitement, and share with them what we do best.
Having been an HR professional for about 20+ years, it really has been difficult as a whole to get that connection between schools, colleges, and the real world of working. And I do think that as we go forward, it's going to be even more important with the shortage that we're all going to experience in the construction industry.
It gives the construction industry a face. A lot of times students don't know what opportunities exist and where those opportunities are, and the variety that's out there.
I'm Deborah Howell, and I'm the Workforce Development Manager for Georgia Power. Mostly the students have been asking about the jobs that we're demonstrating. They had no idea that we even look for females in this role. They were very interested in finding out. We have 4 technical colleges already built where we hire directly from those schools. So a lot of interest in learning more about our company.
The instructors have been great with us. They've told us a lot about the different careers and explained everything very well. And it gives you more experience, lets you know what's out there and how to do stuff. And you get to meet people that are in the jobs and stuff and have a lot of fun. They've helped a lot.
Yeah, I think that they talk to them and kind of guide them as far as what they need to do.
do to get to where they want to go professionally. And I think it helps the students just to make a contact, a connection with someone from a business, and for someone from a business to say, hey, you can do this.
My name is Lisa Shoemate. I'm with Shoemate Mechanical, and we are the sponsors for the Skills USA 2008 Championship for Heating and Air Conditioning and Refrigeration, or HVACR. Today, we have created a challenge for 6 contestants to challenge their abilities in heating and air conditioning, to give them a broad overview of our industry and test the skills that they have thus far, whether it's skills they learned in high school or through on-the-job training. The Skills USA 2008 Championship Contest covers a lot of different areas of construction. Things like plumbing, heating and air conditioning and refrigeration, concrete, masonry, sheet metal, team building, large equipment, power supply, and a lot of different competitions. I'm finding that our contestants have a broad background. Some have participated in high school in educational programs, and then some of the contestants actually have a background from on-the-job training. They may work after school or on the weekends. We have contestants from a wide variety of locations throughout Georgia.
After high school, I can definitely see myself doing something with architecture or management.
Ready to get out of high school and get started really quick. I'm just ready to get to working.
I'm probably thinking about going to somewhere around college.
I'd like to be an electrician, going to the electrical field.
And really want to thank the construction community, the GC's subs and vendors that have been involved in this expo and involved throughout the year accrediting these high school programs. All this stuff is volunteer, and it is an amazing gesture towards trying to create a future for our industry.
It is our responsibility as professionals within our industries, various industries, to promote education and bring good talent into our industry.
It's always good to be part of something that's actually gotten bigger than it was last year. So many things that we're involved in the public communication, public education arena. You come to them one year and they aren't as big as they were last year. This one has actually grown. Every year it seems to be getting better. Yes, we'll participate next year.
I love the CareerExpo. I'll be back in 09.
I love the CareerExpo and I'll be back in 09. I love the CareerExpo and I'll be back in 09.
I love CareerExpo and I'll be back in 09.
I definitely love this experience, and I can definitely see myself coming back next year in 09.
I love the expo.